Action.
Welcome to the Pacific. We're doing things a little bit different here, but you can piece all the pieces together so you understand. 850 East Ocean, you know, 503. We're going to go to the pool, the fitness center, and tea club. So this is the library. So it's just like being in a hotel. You got your private library. If you want to come here, hang out, work, read a book, look out onto the ocean, look out onto the private pool. And let's see if we can go out here. Oh, it's locked. We'll go around the other way. So if you looked at how they've taken care of this place, I mean, it looks like the way that they take care of the Four Seasons Hotel. I mean, it's like beautiful. Look at the ceilings. Really, really well taken care of.
And then they branched out to like vacuum packed frozen meat that they ship in dry ice. Those packages are labeled with perishable.
Yeah.
That's just a regular fried market.
I remember the first time I think it was the same one without saying perishable. And I think I had to read it.
I feel so bad for eating. So that was at right.
So the Pacific comes with a beautiful Olympic size private pool. You've got a jacuzzi. You know what? Let's go inside. Let's have a look. So you can come out here and suntan. I mean, the thing about it is this is probably one of the best pools that one can buy in Long Beach because you're right on the ocean. I mean, the ocean is literally, I'm gonna show you. You're literally right on the sand. Easy. Barbecues. I want to show you something really cool over here. So not only can you entertain with the barbecues up here with the poolside, so you've got 3 barbecues that you can use whenever you want with the sink, picnic tables, but they're downstairs on the first floor on the sand, you've got the beach club. So take a look at this. So these guys down here, I don't know if you can see, they're having mimosas with their friends right on the sand, but it's private. You've got a private fence there, so you can have your friends, your family over next to the fire pit. And you can just, you know, if you want to go through the fence and go onto the sand and have a bike ride or jump in the ocean, you're right there. And then you can come back. I don't know if you can see the showers over there, but you can come back in and take a shower, clean off, and then go up into the beach room and then go home, and you don't have to worry about tracking sand into your house. Oh, one last thing I was gonna say. Can you see this construction right here? They're building this out. It's gonna be, it's like a coffee shop, a cafe, a little wine bar that you can go and invite your friends to on the sand. So very soon you'll be able to walk out there and have a cup of wine or a cup of coffee. All right, let's go to the exercise room. Private exercise room. So they just opened the gym up. I think we can go in with Alec key, but let me see. Nope. So check out the gym. Super nice. Private gym, you don't have to walk anywhere, it's downstairs. I kind of want to get on the exercise machine. Try it out. So you got weights, mats, elliptical machines, spider stepping machine, everything, running. And there's a bathroom. Oh, there's a sauna too. There's a sauna in here, but it's not open yet. But it's coming soon. That's stage 4. Did you see it? Did you get everything?
Yep.
Yeah? Cool. It's pretty cool, guys. I mean, it's like living in a. It's pretty much like living in a hotel. Everything is taken care of. And as you can see, everything is in immaculate condition. Very clean. So now we're going to go downstairs to the pool room. So everything is by fob, so it's a very, very secure building. So we're about to go to the pool room, no, sorry, the beach room, where you can eat, you can play, you can go outside, and here we go. Let's go to the beach room. Uh-oh, there's a nice gap there. Okay. So we're in the beach club. Sorry, beach club. So perfect time to come. We can see the neighbors. This is how you use the beach club. So you have a party, you have all your little snacks and presents, and then it comes out to, see they've got their little presents here, and then it comes out onto, whose birthday is it?
Birthday, Father's Day.
Oh, happy birthday. We're doing a virtual open house.
Oh,
Yeah, so happy birthday. So see, this is what you can do if you buy unit 503. Barbecue down here. Fire pit. How do you light this at night? You just, is there like a little switch?
Right here.
with your fob.
Oh, with your fob.
With your phone? No way. Oh, that's so cool. So you just, oh, look at this, look at this. So I go like that?
Just
Like
here,
this?
here.
So you go like this, fire pit?
No, come on.
No. Hannah usually.
No, it takes a few minutes, but it'll.
And it'll actually like pop up? Wow.
John is, yeah.
There's no condos in Long Beach that will go on with fob.
Okay,
There you
Nick,
go, right
put on
there.
a line.
503.
6:30
Amazing.
a.m.
Well, happy birthday. So you can see the
First line
lawn
he put out, he
goes
goes
all the way down there.
First guy.
First cast.
And again, like the ocean is right there. It's amazing.
You're in real estate?
Yeah, we're selling unit 503. So we're doing a virtual open house right now. Yeah.
407.
Oh.
Above the pool.
Perfect.
But I've been here for 20 years.
Oh wow. What's your favorite place about living here? What's your favorite thing about living here?
Well, the security. How everybody takes care of the fish and keep it clean. Food,
The pool.
the gym. And then the people. Yeah. Made a lot of good friends here since I've been here. We get together now with this,
Oh,
virus.
Right.
You come down here, social distance, and have a glass of wine.
Right?
And where everybody's healthy, we're fine.
Yeah.
And so we come down or sit up by the pool. So we don't feel like we've been quite so isolated as, some people that have been home alone.
Right. Because you have like a whole sense of community. Wow. What is your name? Mary. That's Mary. Thank you so much, Mary. I'm Amber. Amber Rose. Yeah.
What company?
So we're with EXP. EXP. We're selling unit 503 for $819. So if you know anyone.
Oh, that's Jeff and Caroline.
Yeah.
And little Brady.
Oh, sweet. Awesome. Well, thank you.
Good to
Enjoy your birthday. Thanks for being our models.
And
there you have it.
I'm hoping they work better because I can't wear a mask.
And there you have it. Couldn't have said it better myself. So that's why it would be great to move here to unit 503, 850 East Ocean, 2-bed, 2-bath, 819. Have an awesome day, everybody, and reach out to me if you guys are interested in checking out the unit.